In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to navigate and configure your site using Google Sites. Let's dive right in. First, you'll need to head over to Google Sites. You can simply go to your browser and type in Google Sites. This will bring you to the Google Sites homepage where you can access all your site projects. Once you're on the homepage, go ahead and open your desired Google site. You'll see a list of all your sites, so find the one you want to work with and click on it. This will take you to the main editing page where you can start making changes or additions to your site. Now that you're inside your site, the next step is to locate the settings icon. It's usually in the top right corner of the page, represented by a gear icon. Clicking this will open up a menu with various configuration options for your site. Once you're in the settings menu, you'll need to find and click on Navigation. Navigation controls how your site pages and menu items are displayed, making it important for guiding your site's visitors effectively. Upon clicking on Navigation, you'll see different settings related to how your website's menu is structured. One of these options is Mode. By choosing Mode, you can control the layout style of your navigation. This is where you determine whether your site's menu will be displayed at the top or as a sidebar. Both options can be beneficial depending on your site's design and the type of content you offer. So let's start by choosing Top. This mode will place your navigation menu along the top of your page, which can give a clean and straightforward look. Especially useful if your site has a sleek and minimalistic design. After you've explored the top mode, you might want to try the side mode. To do this, go back to the mode settings and select Side. This positions your navigation on the side of your site, which is often helpful for sites that require more space for the main content, giving visitors quick access to menu items without taking up too much horizontal room. Once you've decided on the navigation mode that fits your site best, it's time to finalize your settings. Close the settings menu to return to the main site interface. Before concluding, remember to click on Publish to apply all the changes you've made. Publishing ensures that your new navigation structure is live and visible to all your website visitors. Great job! You've just customized the navigation structure of your Google site, making it easier for users to browse and explore your content.